Hello everyone, my name is Piyush and this is the 14th video in the series AZ900 with Piyush. In this particular video, we will be looking into Azure Express Route and domain name servers. So please watch the video till the end because we will be doing some knowledge checks for AZ900 sample exam questions. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Express Route is a dedicated connection that lets you extend your on premises network into the Microsoft cloud. Over here is your on premises network, and here is your Office 365, like your Microsoft services, as well as your Azure virtual network. So, Express Route lets you connect these networks together through a dedicated line. Right? There is a partner edge, and then there is a Microsoft Edge. It creates an express route circuit between these. So this is a primary express route circuit, and it creates a connection to that, and that connection connects with the virtual network. Then the second part of this primary circuit will let you connect your on-premises network with the Microsoft Office 365 services. In the same way, you can have a secondary connection, and it will also have two links, one with the Office 365 and another one with the virtual network. So this secondary connection is helpful in case when your primary goes down, then the traffic will be redirected from the secondary circuit. Right? Express route has a lot of benefits over your VPN gateway or a VPN connection. For example, these connections are highly reliable. It provides faster speed, lower latencies, and higher bandwidth. This connection supports up to 10 Gbps, which is a lot, and this is not the case with a VPN gateway. So these are all the use cases of using an express route over a VPN gateway, but this solution is costlier than VPN gateway. The other important benefit of using an express route is it does not go over the public internet. This connection over here that we see, this is a dedicated connection. That means it doesn't go over the public internet. So it provides a dedicated connection between your on premises and your Microsoft data center. Hence, this connection is more reliable than VPN gateway. Now that we have seen Azure Express Route, now let's have a quick introduction of Azure DNS or domain name server. So Azure does not let you purchase the domain from the Azure DNS itself, but you can use app service to buy a domain for a yearly fee, right? So your user can go and purchase the domain from Azure App Service or through a third party domain registrar such as GoDaddy or HostGator or Namecheap and so on. Once the domain is purchased, you can use Azure DNS to host your domain. You can host the domain. It lets you manage your DNS zones. You can also create private DNS domain using Azure DNS, and you can also manage your records. It also supports alias records so that you can refer an Azure resource using a domain name instead of an IP. All right, time for the quick knowledge check for the topics that we have discussed so far. So try to take the screenshot of this page and try to answer these questions. Let me know in the comment section below if you face any difficulty in answering these questions. That's it for this video, folks. I hope this video was somewhat beneficial to you and helpful in understanding the concepts that we have discussed so far. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues so that they could also take advantage of this learning opportunity. And I will see you soon with the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and thank you so much for watching.